Friends, Running Kimono here. I hope you're all doing fantastic. This is the best paper deals over at Walgreens until July the 26th. So today, the 22nd, right till the 26th. And most of these deals are done curbside, meaning we're putting the order in through the Walgreens app, paying for it, driving to the store and picking it up. And that is lovingly known as a curbside pickup because you can use the little discount codes. You're having a little bit of extra savings than just going into the store and buying it. Pretty easy process, so that's how we're doing it. But before we even talk about it, I know a lot of you are fans of the Burt's Bees line. A lot of these like lip shimmers, I think that's what they're called. There's 3 or 4 different colors. 99 cents. They were $4.99 and they dropped to 99 cents. So you might want to check it out and put this in your curbside order as well. I believe that this is a curbside price only. I think in store they were still 50% when I was there a couple days ago. You're looking at the colors apricot, cherry, and grapefruit. All really beautiful colors. So if you're going to put a paper order in and you just want to throw a couple of these in, or you want to finesse the math, either way, you got to get to $10. Just an idea. Okay, so the first deal that we're going to look at, very straightforward, everybody's favorite, the Walgreens brand of the toilet paper or paper towel. A lot of people are curious, like, what is this like? I think it's very similar to Angel Soft. So for this promotion, we're going to throw in 8 of them into a basket for $40. Alternatively, if you want to go with paper towel, this is the one that you'll grab. Or if you want to mix and match, get 4 of each, you can do that as well. I recommend you go to the store right away because this order will take up a large amount of room because it's like 8 things of paper. You're going to load this best friend, which is the $1.50 off of 1. If you already used it, just go into the household folder, scroll it manually, that folder, and you should probably be able to reload it. And then as you can see off of the 8 units, we have $12 coming off. And then you can use the code PICKUP20 for an additional $5.60 melting off. So that right there is absolutely fantastic. Okay, just to show you this, the total is $40. After that promotion code and the $1.50 coupon, $17.60 melting off, free curbside pickup, and a little bit of tax there. So the total is $23.74. I personally would use $20 in Walgreens cash, pay $3.74 for 8 units of paper, and call this really fantastic. If you want to pay with your debit card, you're going to get back an additional $2. It's just whenever you buy the Walgreens brand products, you get that, but you can't use Walgreens cash, spend it to earn it. You have to pay it out. So I would just, use the $20 of Walgreens cash, pay $3.74 for a smaller out of pocket. The next deal that we're going to look at is deal number 2. I am really surprised by this. We have these really massive packs of Angel Soft for $9.99, and we also have a $1 digital coupon. And the toilet paper math in this, that it's 64 rolls, it's actually very accurate because we've been working on 1 pack of paper, I think, since the last month and a half. It's taken forever to get through this. And this is the digital coupon that you're going to load. It's $1 off. And for some of you that really like the fancy Cottonelle, we're going to throw in one of these 9 counts for $10. And we have a very generous $1 digital coupon that showed up, so make sure you load that as well. And here's our friend, it's $1 off, so make sure you have it loaded for maximum savings. And then the last 2 items we're going to grab is a Scott paper towel for $5 and the Scott toilet paper for $5. And they're buy one, get one 50% off. You don't have to load a coupon for that. And then we have dollar manufacturers for each of those. So if you didn't use it, I think this all appeared maybe last week. These $1 digital coupons. So you tell me, did they appear this week or last week? Kind of having a little fuzzy moment here early this morning. I'm not really sure. And these are the coupons that we're loading. The $1 off for the paper towel and the $1 off for the toilet paper. And a lot of us right now really want to stock up on these paper products. Why not? And just to show you the gorgeous chorus line, $1 for Scott, $1 for Cottonelle, $1 for Scott, Angel Soft. Using the code PICKUP15, $3.53 melting off. This is exactly what we're talking about for really good savings, and that's fantastic. The overall total is $27.49, $3.53 melting off right there, and $4 in manufacturers. So the total here is $21.40. If you want to use $20 in Walgreens cash and pay the $1.40, it's a smart deal, and you're saving more than $16, which is also fantastic. That's it for this video, and if you missed yesterday's curbside video, I'll link it right here. We'll catch you guys in the next one.